Going for a little stroll. We got Kai with us, but he's going a little crazy.
Like
we just ate
masks?
4 corn dogs.
You like our masks?
Oh yeah. What's his name? Paul Frank?
Paul Frank.
Paul Frank. So Kai likes to bark at all the bikes that pass by and random men that pass by. So it's kind of hard to take him on walks sometimes. But we're trying.
Yeah, he's so sweet with us and everyone inside the house.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the public, he looks like a menace.
We've got a little pond here with lily pads.
Aw.
Today we're doing a little cinematic in San Francisco.
Like how, you know, if you don't know what to say, you don't have anything to say, just make it cinematic.
You heard it here from Marky first. That's tip number 1. If you don't have any ideas for a vlog, just make it a cinematic. So we're gonna do that. Taking a couple pictures at this little pond and just chilling a little bit, but Kai keeps barking at everybody, so we might have to move in a second.
You like my coordination?
We just got to the Ferris wheel. Hey, check it out. There aren't any seats on it yet though, so what do you even call this? Just a wheel? One of the things I'm trying to do today is use an anamorphic lens, and when you use an anamorphic lens, you get a lot of lens flares from the sun, so I'm taking a lot of shots where the sun is backlighting whatever subject I'm working with, and it looks pretty good. There's a little puppy right there that Kai made a friend with. Alright Lex, you're gonna run through this cave. What? This tunnel. Let's do it. Alright, right now we are going to the Conservatory of Flowers. It's actually where I took my prom pictures junior year. Don't do that. It's dirty. Get your hands over here. Get your hands over here. Always have wipes, hand sanitizers, mask when you go out. We're trying to find the Conservatory of Flowers, but we're a little lost. Here. So you can look shorter than me? Wow, how great.
I'm doing you a favor.
We're kind of just walking in circles, but I think we found it. Kai, how are you doing?
Living it up.
Did you expect to go on a little hike today?
I did not, actually. And I'm wearing my ones.
Yeah, so am I. My
Your Air Force
ones.
I'm wearing Jordan ones.
But it's not that bad. It's not tiring.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not like it's not like walking in dirt trails the whole time.
Yeah. Where are we?
No idea. I'm assuming it's that way, but I have no idea.
Hey Siri, where are we?
So one of the reasons why we came to San Francisco was to get those corn dogs, because we were craving them and they are delicious, so why not? But another reason is because since we celebrated Kai's birthday last weekend, we wanted to come to the city so he can walk around and enjoy himself. But he's been barking at everybody, so we might have to change those plans. We're at the Conservatory of Flowers now. It's crowded. Stay 6 feet away, people. Wear a mask. Okay, well, the number of people here is crazy, so we're gonna go home because I don't want to be here.
Coronavirus is cooking right here.
I didn't get much footage, but hopefully I got a good amount.
You should just film non-stop.
If you can't vlog it, make it cinematic. Whoever can make it to the tree fastest wins. Ready?
Well, I don't.
Set. Go.
False start, because she started running before you said go. So, false start. False start. I don't want to race with the cheater, bro. She took a step before she said go.
Set. Go. Ready. Set. go.
Let's go. Come on. Kyle was biting me the whole time. He was.
Now I can say that he started first.
What? What? Run it back. Run it back on the tape.
Set, go.
Actually, technically, Kyle won because he's in front of me.
Oh yeah, we walked around this whole park in one big circle. Not bad though.
Yeah, it was nice. It was fun.
Nice and relaxing. Minus Kai barking at everybody, but it was good.
Nice.
Feels good to be outside.
Like,
Alright, well, we're just exploring a little bit now where there's less people. It's a little bit more calm on this side. Nice day out in San Francisco, even though it's not super sunny.
feels
Still had a
great.
good time. Yeah, it feels good.
It's a good change from the 100-degree weather in Davis.
Exactly. Well, thanks for tuning in. Don't really know what this video is about, but never really know what any of my videos are about. So if you like this, go ahead and comment, rate, and subscribe.
7 years.
And I will see you tomorrow.